Certainly. Introducing the Logitech ERGO K860 wireless ergonomic keyboard, an innovative tool designed for a healthier, more efficient typing experience. This keyboard boasts a split, curved design, reducing wrist and forearm strain by promoting a natural hand posture. The integrated memory foam wrist rest provides a comfortable, supportive base, helping alleviate stress from prolonged typing sessions. Its advanced features include perfect stroke keys, designed for quiet, precise typing, and adjustable tilt legs that adapt seamlessly whether you're seated or standing. Bluetooth and USB connectivity ensure compatibility across devices, from Windows systems to Mac. Crafted with sustainability in mind, this keyboard uses recycled materials and responsibly sourced packaging. It truly stands out in the ergonomic keyboard market by combining comfort, performance, and eco-consciousness. However, potential users should note compatibility specifications and consider their typing style for maximum benefit. For those seeking enhanced comfort and efficiency in their daily workflow, the ERGO K860 is a remarkable addition. Upgrade your typing experience with the Logitech ERGO K860 keyboard, where design meets health and productivity.